Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error when launching a game. First, reinstall the Microsoft Visual C 2015 to 2022 Redistributable. Open your web browser and search for the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable download. Open the official Microsoft website and download both versions, the x64 version and the x86 version. These files are required even if you are using a 64-bit system. After downloading the files, run each file as an administrator and install it. After that, restart your computer. If the problem still appears, you can repair the existing Visual C installation. Open the control panel on your computer and go to Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Click on it and select Change. A new window will appear. Choose the repair option and let Windows repair the files automatically. Repeat this step for all the versions. Once the repair process is complete, restart your computer and launch your game. If none of these methods solves the issue, the final step is to reinstall the program or game that is showing the error. Uninstall it from your system and download it again. Thanks for watching.